everybody, this is the next day of Vlogtober. I don't know the number, but I will put it here on the screen. And also, my name Kendra, if this is your first time here. If you don't know anything about me or this is your first time, I do anything from makeup to fashion to a little bit of hair, and also I do vlogs, and we just get lit on my channel, okay? I'm not the most, you know, rah-rah type of girl, but we get to the business, okay? Also, today we are going to head to Target, run a few errands. I already have my Starbucks already, so y'all don't have to come with me there. But if you have your coffee right now, cheers, baby. I have a few things, but I'm just not sure, you know, how we gonna do it. But whatever, let's just get on into it, y'all. Hey y'all, look at this. I think this is so freaking cute. I love this. And I know the exact wall that I want to put it on, but bruh, look at the price, y'all. Look at the damn price. Oh, that's just at $60. I don't want to do $60. Like, that's a lot. Oh my god. All right, y'all, so we just left Target, or Target,